birthday, Adriel! Mahaba, ah? Okay, now be ready in 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday!
Wow, haba! 6 seconds! Maraming salamat! Si Kuya Ivan, baba ka muna siya. Ah, meron pa ba? Okay. Sige ha, make sure dapat mas mahaba sa 6 na. Ulitin natin ha. Say happy birthday, Adriel. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15 seconds! Maraming salamat! Okay. Baba ka muna kuya. Next, ang hinamang. Baby ka ka, baby.
Galing
Strawberry shortcake. Okay. Strawberry shortcake. Okay. Now, simple lang ha. You will just say, Happy birthday, Adriel. Mahaba. Sila, baby. Okay, now. Say, Happy birthday, Adriel. In 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2. Wala, nagulat. Ulitin natin ha.
Ulit.
Happy birthday! Ganun kahaba, baby ha. Ulitin natin ha. 1, 2, 3, and go. 1 second lang. Maraming salamat. Baby, there's your consolation prize. Thank you for joining. Okay, next. Anong name? Si Reels. Ilang seconds si Kuya? 11, di ba? Ay, 15 pala, 15. Kaya mo ba more than 15 seconds? Kaya mo yan. O, gusto mo 51 second. Okay, hindi. Say, Happy birthday, AGL. In 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday!
Yes, ano po yun? Ulitin natin ha. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, April!
Sino April? Wala April. Baka nalagyan ka ng party, baka sa Jollibee Blue Wave ka. Ulitin natin ha. Happy birthday, April. In 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, April!
O, sino April naman? Walang April dito. Okay na yun ha. Ulit na basta mahaba ha. Kahit hindi clear yung name, basta kailangan mahaba. Ha? Ha? O. May mahaba. Ganun. Happy birthday, Adriel. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, April!
3. Ano, ganda ka na lang. 3 seconds na kay Riz. Thank you for shining, Riz. And still, nakakalamang si Kuya with 15 seconds. Next, Kuya. Ano ulit name mo, Kuya? Nathan. Okay, Nathan? Kaya mo bang sabihin yung happy birthday Adriel ng mahaba, more than 15 seconds? Kaya mo? Susubukan ni Kuya Nathan. Now be ready. Happy birthday, Adriel. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, Adrian!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 26 seconds. In spite of paggugulo ni Jollibee, 26 seconds pa siya. Okay, si Kuya Janu, say happy birthday, Adriel, in 25 seconds. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday,
Naka-21 seconds si Kuya. Meron pa bang hamon? Baby mo na baby. Bakit ang bata na? Okay. Your name is, anong pangalan? Si O. Kamusta ka naman, O? Asa na si A? Saan si E? Okay. Say happy birthday, Adriel. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go. Wow, ang haba. Naubos ang oras natin dito. Thank you very much for joining. At dahil siya ng ating winner, si Kuya Nathan with 25 seconds and Mercedes Nathan. Let's go forward. May dryer na kasama yun. Maraming salamat, Kuya Nathan. Palakpakan naman for Nathan. Congratulations.